SuperEncryption is cyber defense weapon, but SuperEncryption in the wrong hands, it becomes like a cyber attack weapon because encrypted information that has been executed through SuperEncryption machines are unbreakable mathematically. It means that no one, not even quantum computers, are able to decipher the encrypted data. This is what we sell, what we are expert in, what is called SuperEncryption. SuperEncryption is a file that is encrypted more than once. It means we encrypt it with one encryption algorithm, then the file is encrypted again. The encrypted file is encrypted again with another encryption algorithms. Then the twice already encrypted file is encrypted again with a third encryption algorithms, and so on. So there are 4 layers, what we do at Digital Bank. So this is called super encryption, multiple encryption, cascade encryption. There are a lot of ways to call it, but the results are always the same. It cannot be broken. It's unbreakable, uncrackable encryption. Therefore, for us, it's very important to know to whom we sell it. We do have promoters outside that are promoting our technologies to companies and organizations, but the sale is done directly by us. It means we need to know the customer. What is called KYC. We make a due diligence in order to understand who is the final buyer, if it's a reputable company or a fully registered, known and legitimate company. We can sell also to individuals. We are selling to high net worth individuals that we can be 100% sure that they will use our super encryption system for legitimate purposes only. As explained at the beginning, super encryption can be a cyber weapon in the wrong hands. And it's meant to be for cyber defending critical data of companies that are very afraid that sensitive data will be leaked out by some ransomware attacks, by some workers, but some hacking of emails and so on. We invite you to contact us. Our consultancy is free of charge. We have all the know-how and all the tools, all the technologies in order to teach you how to safeguard your communications and your data storage, and especially data in transit. We remain at your complete disposal.